CNC machines. Everything you need to know about types and software. This video takes an in-depth look at CNC machining. You will learn more about topics such as what is CNC, open-loop and closed-loop machine systems, the CNC manufacturing process, types of CNC machines and CNC operations, types of CNC software. What is a CNC machine? Chapter 1. Understanding CNC. Open-loop and closed-loop control systems. The CNC manufacturing workflow. Chapter 2. What are the different types of CNC machines and their associated operations? Lathes. Plasma cutters. Electric discharge machines. Water jet cutters. Drilling. Milling. Turning. Other CNC machine types and emerging technologies. Chapter 3. What are the different types of CNC software available? CAD, Computer-Aided Design Software. CM, Computer-Aided Manufacturing Software. CAE, Computer-Aided Engineering Software. Other essential CNC software types. In addition to CAD, CM, and CAE platforms, there are several other software types crucial for CNC operations and digital manufacturing. G-code editors. Machine control software. Simulation software. Post-processor software. Frequently asked questions. What is CNC and how does it differ from manual machine operation? How do open-loop and closed-loop systems influence CNC machine accuracy? What are the main types of CNC machines and their specialized uses? Which software types are essential for the CNC manufacturing process? How does a CAD file become a finished CNC part? What are common CNC machining applications in industries such as aerospace or automotive? Chapter 4. What is a CNC machine? Conclusion. Please visit www.iqsdirectory.com to find the right CNC machining services for your needs.